just show you how to find your music that's gone missing. Pretty easy, but a bit stupid on Apple's behalf, I think. But here it so you got your playlist here, and you got a stack of music missing. You go up to View up here, and you click All Music. Then just click on that, and they all come back. There. And there's actually other stuff you can do there too. So, but if you want to not cause dramas, I'd probably stay away from all those little things because they could probably cause issues unless you're very experienced. But that's it. So all you have to do, so it's all music, and just below it is only downloaded music. So there's how you get all your music back. I hope I've helped you, and see you on the next one. Bye now.